Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
A config XLSX file centralizes settings, selectors, and values for your Uipath project. Place config XLSX inside the project folder or upload it to Orchestrator assets for shared access. The file commonly contains 3 sheets: settings, assets, and keywords to separate configuration types. Using a single file reduces hardcoding and speeds maintenance during process changes. Always version and backup config XLSX before major updates to avoid breaking running processes. Open config XLSX with Excel application scope and use read range to load sheets into data tables. Loop through the data table, rows, and add entries to a dictionary string keyed by the config key column. Use try parse or convert after cleaning symbols to handle numeric values like 5, 0, 0, 0, or 3. 5%. Keep keys consistent and case-sensitive to avoid lookup failures during runtime. Log errors and default values when parsing fails to maintain robust execution. Create a dedicated init config workflow that reads config XLSX and returns a dictionary and data tables to the main workflow. In workflows, reference config timeout to string for string values and convert to int32 for integer conversions when necessary. Use config lookups for selectors, URLs, credentials keys, and retry counts to centralize control. When changing stored values, update config XLSX or Orchestrator asset and restart running jobs to apply new configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.